Update on the Resto-Mod this week, November 6, 2021. I finished sanding the doors and buffed them out, so they got 4 coats of clear on them now. I think I'm done with those. Got my mirrors done as well, and those are just sitting in place. They should go down just a little bit farther. But those turned out really pretty nice, I think. So I got both doors done, and I couldn't resist taking one of the doors outside, seeing what it would look like in the sun. Got the mirror on. Jams look really good, nice and clean. I buffed it. I'll show you the compound that I used. It's already dusty. It's been out here for just a few minutes. Couldn't resist to see what it looked like in the sunshine. So I used a heavy and then a medium compound. I used the paste. I think it's Presta paste, heavy cut and then medium cut, and then I'll go over it with the ultimate polish. I haven't done that yet, but I just bought a new oscillating buffer. I'm going to give that a shot. Typically I use just the standard buffer, rotating buffer, and this should do a little bit better job on it. Those are my pads that I used with that one. So anyway, I've got all my painting done on my parts except the hood, and I didn't get anything done on this week as far as painting goes, because I decided I wanted to get my sound deadener mat put in while it was still in the rotisserie. And man, is that a job when you cover everything. It takes quite a bit of time, or it did me anyways. Maybe just getting old and slow, but there's a lot of little pieces to go around, and I tried to do the best I could fitting everything. I used butt joints on most of it. A few of them are overlapping, but I felt like the butt joints would leave less of a hump. So anyways, I got that done. Inside the quarters, down inside here as well. It's all wrapped. Up under the dash, a lot of little pieces. So guys are going to ask me what I used. This is the mat I used, the sound deadening. It's a little thicker than some of them. It's probably, I don't know, not quite an 1/8 inch. It's heavy. It really sticks good. Comes with a knife and a roller, and I use this. It's for tucking in a headliner, but it worked really good to smooth out areas. Saves your fingers. Tape measure, Sharpie, obviously, a straight edge, screwdriver, and used a hair dryer instead of a heat gun. My heat gun gets too hot, and I like that hair dryer a little bit better. It worked really good for this. So what I did is I just laid a piece of just the board inside, and that way I could cut my pieces right on top of it. Saved me a lot of time going back and forth to a table. And with it on the rotisserie, I could roll it around and get down in here real easy. Well, easier, I should say. Still a lot of work. It's hard on my back. But it'd been a lot worse. Take it off the rotisserie and try to do that I'd be laying on my back inside there and probably wouldn't be able to get back up. So glad I did that. Get the ceiling done as well. So the next step is wet sand the body, 600 grit paper. I'll clean it good first, wet sand it. And then I'm going to take it off the rotisserie. I've got some wheels that I use for that. So I'll put my wheels on my frame on the bottom, take the rotisserie off, drop it down, and got to mask everything off underneath. Still got, I'm going to have to mask all that off because I don't want overspray on it. It's looking good. So I'm not sure if I'll get this thing painted next week. I'll get her all sanded and maybe masked off and get it ready to paint the following week. So there's the update for this week. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.